Are you aspiring to be a successful trader? Does 12% return on your capital sounds good to you? What if you are able to make 12% return in a month just like what you see here? Hi, I'm Thomasin. You can trade like me just like what my students did. Here's what they have to say after learning the techniques I taught them.
In the past 7 to 6 months, I am able to generate 5 to 6% return on average per month.
The methodology is very sound.
Natapong is able to make 5 to 6% per month on average for the past 6 months. That's at least 30% return in 6 months. All this is possible because they learned my proprietary trading techniques, which I developed after 13 years of trading. And in my upcoming workshop, I'm going to share with you my best techniques that we use. This has enabled us to consistently beat the market with explosive returns month after month. Let me ask you, if all this 3-hour workshop did was to help you to get just half of what Natapong achieved, would it be worth it? Instead of 30% return in half a year, would 15% be worth it? What if this is going to help you buy your dream home and enable you to sack your boss? Would it be worth it? I know it would, because the techniques that I teach during this workshop have changed the quality of life for thousands of people like you with families like yours. So, don't miss this rare opportunity. Register and come for this life-changing event that will change your financial destiny forever.